Hello, and welcome to Fleet Commander, the University of Oregon's motor pool portal. In this video, I will show you how to make a reservation, check on reservations and request changes, as well as some other helpful tools and tricks that Fleet Commander provides. To begin making a reservation, first navigate to the Fleet Commander portal by typing in universityoforegon.agilefleet.com into the URL bar. You will log in using your UOregon email and Duck ID. Once you're logged in, you can begin making a reservation. First, click on Make a Reservation. For all vehicles that are going to be rented during the school year, please choose UO Rental and select the site UO Motor Pool. If this request is for yourself, select This request is for me, and you will be auto-populated as the driver. If you're making this request on behalf of a driver or drivers, choose one of the drivers and search them using their @uoregon.edu email or their name. Hit Next. Now you can choose a pickup date. Motor pool reservations can be made up to 3 months in advance from the day's date. The motor pool is open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please make sure the pickup date falls under our operational hours. If you need the vehicle reservation to start after our business hours, you can specify it in the To Be Used On section of the reservation form. Let's go ahead and make a reservation for September. I'll choose 10 a.m. as the pickup time, and I'll be returning the vehicle on the same day. Next, you can choose the vehicle type underneath Asset Type. We have a variety of vehicles to choose from. I feel like a minivan will best meet my needs for this trip. Choose the number of occupants. Next, enter in your department. If your department isn't listed, please contact our office. You must enter in a valid index. Enter in an activity code, if applicable, and please provide a destination. You can add in a purpose of the trip. And here is the To Be Used On, which you can use if your reservation needs to be picked up during our business hours, but you're not going to be using it until after our business hours when you wouldn't be able to pick it up. Please make sure to include all drivers in our additional driver field and enter in their last name, first name, and email. You can also copy and paste from an Excel file and paste it into this field. Then hit Next. You'll have the ability to review all of the information. If everything looks good, hit Submit Request. Once you've submitted your request, you will receive a reservation confirmation email. This will confirm that our system has received your reservation request. Our motor pool portal automatically assigns a vehicle if available. So your request should shortly be followed by a confirmation email with vehicle information. You also have the option to make a similar request. This will allow you to request multiple vehicles if the reservation details are the same. By clicking Make a Similar Request, you'll see the reservation form has auto-populated, allowing you to request multiple vehicles easily. You can also edit the vehicles if there are other drivers or you need a different kind of vehicle. If a vehicle is unavailable, this menu will pop up. You can submit it for manual assignment, and if a vehicle becomes available, our staff will assign it to you and you will get a confirmation email. There's also a tool that will allow you to search vehicle availability. You can check vehicle availability by clicking on the Vehicle Availability button. Then, select your start date, the asset site, UO Motor Pool, and the usage type. Again, if this is happening during the school year, please select UO Rental. You then have the option to search one asset or multiple assets. You can then see if there are any vehicles that are available. You can also make reservations from this menu by selecting an available date. This will take you to the reservation form. The reservation form will be auto-populated with your user as the driver username and the asset you selected from the availability menu as the asset type. You will need to choose the pickup date and return date. You can search for other dates by selecting the change filter and selecting the start date. The filter will display views 2 weeks from the chosen start date. This will give you a variety of options to search for vehicle types and dates for vehicles that are available. To view all of your reservations past and present, you can view them by clicking on My Schedule. This will show you all the reservations you have made and ones you have upcoming. You can sort them by clicking on the top of the table to sort by different criteria, such as request date, scheduling information, and request ID. You're also able to request changes to reservations you've already made by selecting this magnifying glass icon. This will take you to the specific reservation, and then you can click on Request Changes. Here, you can specify the changes that you wish, such as adding an additional driver or changing to a different index. If you are going to request an additional driver to the vehicle, please make sure you include their @uoregon.edu email. Then click Submit Change. This will send the change over to our team, who will go in and approve it after a review. You also have the ability to cancel a reservation. Cancellations can be made up to 2 days before your reservation by clicking on the red X next to your reservation. If you need to cancel 2 days before your reservation, you'll need to reach out to our office and a cancellation fee may be applied. The Fleet Commander portal also has a variety of reporting features that allow you to view reservations you have made. By clicking on My Reports, it will show you various reporting options you have. You can go in and select a criteria for reservations made between specific dates. You can check the statuses, and you can choose the output. HTML will generate a web page, and Excel will generate a file that can be opened in Excel. This message will pop up. Please click Yes. And here I can see all of the reservations that I made within the date frame that I inputted. This is a great tool for keeping track of reservations. We encourage you to explore the My Reports function to see what it may offer you and your department to keep track of your vehicle reservations. This concludes the tutorial of the University of Oregon's Motor Pool Portal Fleet Commander. We are excited to serve you and your motor pool needs for for the future. Have a great day.